What's wrong with you, Mike? Sorry. Pay attention to the water as he goes down. You'll start to see them swimming away. Do you see that? You see that? What the fuck?
That's not how it was supposed to go.
Mike, you just threw my whole cabinet on the water. This is the shortest video in the world, Mike. What the fuck? Mike, nah, Mike. What's wrong with you, Mike? Sorry ass Bucky, sorry ass. Nah, okay.